Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically, how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press the upper button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called display, and once you find it, tap on it, and here scroll through the menu and find the option called screen timeout. Select it, and here we have the list of durations. We have 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20, 30 and 60 seconds. Select the one you like, for example 5 seconds, tap on the check mark, and then you can swipe right or press the upper button to go back to watch face. And now my screen should turn off after 5 seconds of an activity, like this. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.